always, when you're buying a system, you will see a little extra skin will be in the edge, right in the hairline. You have to be very, very careful how to cut this, not to cut the hair. So you want to make sure you just cut the skin, not the hair. It's very delicate, so you have to be very, very cautious and very careful. With this type of system, the hair will look super natural. It's like synthetic skin. And as you see, I'm pushing the hair, so we're not cutting any hair, because if you cut the hair, it's going to be tiny, tiny short pieces hanging in front of the hairline. It's not going to look natural. So you're going to be very, very careful to just cut the extra piece, not the hair. So as you see, I'm taking my time. You cannot rush this. You have to be very, very gentle, not to rip the system. And when you're cutting it, you make sure, when you see the scissor and you see that there is no hair in between, that's when you cut. As you see, we just cut the extra skin.